Bill Goudy checking in. I've been tagged by my friend Justin. Survival mindset. Awesome. Show me your steak. You guys have all seen my steak. I've cooked many different kinds. Oh. First off, I want to thank Andrew. I'll put his link down below. It's ZEDU and some numbers, I think. But I think he only has 4 subs, and or 5. But he made his first video about a month ago, and I didn't know it. I didn't even realize it. And he freed a turtle. Oh, listen, we need to get him 100 subs. Just sub him. Get over there and sub him. Tell him Bill Goudy sent you. Let's get him introduced to the YouTube community. Tonight I'm going to cook cabbage steak. That's right. I'm not doing beef. I'm doing cabbage. I'm going to cut them about, I'm going to do 2 steaks, cut them about 1 inch thick, put them on my little, over my fire. I put them on my little flipper grate so they don't fall apart, and I baste them with a little bit of butter. So the acorn squash is high on the glycemic index, but it's low on the glycemic load. According to Dr. Berg, he's my YouTube, I like to watch his videos. I'll put a link to him down below. If you haven't seen Dr. Berg, he has a lot of intermittent fasting, a lot of keto, just some very good informational videos, and he's got a whole process going on over there. You need to check that out. I'm not having any amber fluids. No, I'm not. I'm going to have me a Zevia with my cabbage steak. I'm in the losing mode right now, and I want to continue losing for another couple weeks. And I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait for that vessel of amber fluid. Oh, look at that, will ya? Oh, that looks so good. Look at the coal. Just what I want. Just what I want. I want to thank the people at Camp Made. They just make an awesome product. I'm telling you. Ah, look at that. This is a Camp Made grill that I use with the lid holder. Well, I'm going to use it as a trivet. Fits right in the bottom of that Dutch oven. And that will hold my acorn squash. Can you see this? There's my acorn squash, and I've stuffed it with onion, garlic, pepper, mushroom, and I'm going to top it with cheese after it's almost done. I'm going to put it in there now. I'm going to pour some water in here. A little over half of that bottle I poured in there. You can see it starting to steam. Can you see that steam coming out of there? Yeah, it's looking good. And that's what that's going to do. It's going to bake that squash, steam it. Looks good. I'm going to give that a little bit of a head start. I'm going to bake that for about, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour, like a baked potato. But I'm going to put the cabbage steaks on it'll take about 20 minutes for them. So I'm going to cook those for about 45 minutes before I put the cabbage on. Let's check this. Been about 45 minutes. Oh, look. Yeah. That looks done. I got some Kojak and some pepper jack cheese in there, and I just shaved it off the block. I didn't want to dirty my grater, mainly because I'm hauling my water in right now, and that's just one less thing I have to wash. It's a lot easier to wash that knife. So I got cheese chunks, which is okay. It'll melt right into that.
When I was a younger man, I hadn't a care.
I have green and I have purple cabbage. I put some butter, some black pepper, and some garlic powder on top of both of those steaks. All we can do now is sit back and wait. Get our priorities straight. This is a Zevia Cola. This has got caffeine, but no artificial sweeteners or no sugars. It's made with stevia. It's pretty good. I like it. I guess I didn't see any rules that said that it has to be a beef steak or a pork steak. Yeah. Or a chicken steak. No. I'm going to have a cabbage steak. Look at the goodness. That has a good nutty flavor. Oh, that's good. Oh, one of my favorites. Oh, it's one of my favorite ways to cook cabbage. It really is. Buttery, smoky. I put a little bit of Salt on there, a little garlic powder. Oh, so good. Listen, I'm going to sit down. I want to finish eating. You guys support men's mental health. Check out Andrew. Sub him. Tell him Bill Goudy sent you. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.
Now I grew up down an old dirt road in a town you wouldn't know. My pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964.
I love my country. I love my guns. I love my family. I love the way it is now. And anybody that tries to change it has to come through me. That should be all of our attitude. This is America.
And a country boy's good enough for me, son.